Hi, in this video I will show you how to make uploaded TikTok videos private. So if you have uploaded a video on the TikTok that is everyone, now you want that video to be private, so you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok and click on your profile from the right bottom, and here you will see I have uploaded a video. So tap on this video and click on the three lines. Once you will here, now you have to search for the privacy settings here, and right now it's everyone. Tap on it and click on the only me from here. Once you will click on the only me, this video will be private on the TikTok, so only you can see this video, no other will see this video on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.